Hi there, it's Simon here. Today we are going to learn a little shuffle pattern that I absolutely love to use in a 12 bar. We're going to play it in the key of A. It sounds like this. Right, so A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and. So 4, 4 E and at the end. So C, C sharp, E. 3, 4, 2, 3 on the A string, 4 on the A string. So just have a little practice of that. Stop the video and have a go. All right. You can do every chord. D. Same thing. A. E. Thanks for watching. See you next Wednesday. Bye.